A crawlspace moisture barrier is basically anything that helps control the environment in the crawl space itself. So there are multiple products out there that can help do just that, help control the moisture in your crawl space. It comes in whether it's boards or even wood or foam products, but even PVC plastic tarp products. So at KC Pier, we call this Crawlspace Encapsulation, and it comes with multiple options. And so we do start with every Crawlspace encapsulation that we do starts with the encapsulation piece itself, which is a PVC tarp barrier that is rolled around all the structural elements, the beams, the blocks, the walls itself. They're all taped together and joined together to help control that basement or crawl space environment. And then we add additives to that, whether it's a dehumidifier, whether it's a sump pump, whether it's a product that monitors water, humidity, and temperature, which we call KC Pier Ship Shape. We can add those elements to the moisture barrier to help further control the environment depending on the issue that's in your crawl space. And you don't necessarily find that with all companies. Most companies in Kansas City will kind of throw you like a grand slam encapsulation product that comes with a very expensive price, but we don't necessarily have to do all those products if they're not needed. And so that's the beauty of calling KC Pier. It's a free structural consultation. Our guys will come out there and take a look at your crawl space and walk you through the different elements of what's going on actively and what potentially you can do to control it. And then you as a homeowner have the power to decide to build kind of in an a la carte system to create a healthy environment in your crawl space. And either way, depending on what you do, these products can be warranted for a lifetime that will live with the house itself. It won't necessarily live with you. So if you move away, the house is still protected for the next homeowner, which makes a great selling product too as well, because you can have paperwork with the warranty that transfers upon the sale of the house. So give KC Pier a call or fill out our form on our website. We'll send a structural consultant over. It's free, and we can walk you through the different solutions that will help you create a crawl space that has a controlled environment that can be warranted for a lifetime.